Buddy, today I'm going to go into the farm and we're going to do a vlog, so hope you enjoy. Buddy, so we've arrived. It's around like almost 1, so I am pretty hungry. So yeah, bye. There's a tent tour inside. There's this light. And then there's just balloons and it's like really pretty camp like seats here. I think this is like decoration, but it's so cute and it's so comfy. I tried it and yeah, nice. Red brick house. Yeah, there's a really big like type of well, you can just, it's a really cool place. There's like a little bit of like shops everywhere. You can see there's a lot of cute stuff. And there's also some food and they have like all types of stuff, stationery, toys, and essential items. They even have like hair ties all around here. They even have some very historical things here, really religious type of thing. And yeah, there'll be like a little cafe at the end, and we have little rings. We have all types of stuff here. Sorry, the background noise is really loud. I'm not sure why. And then we have a cafe. So yeah, we have arrived to the farm. It is very fun. And yeah, so there's like this really big duck. It's really fun. So yeah, and there's a lot of little animals. So let me show you guys. For the camera fish, giant turtles. Relaxing, huh? It's wonderful. It's very dark. It's very hot. Oh, there's a giant one there. Oh, that's big. Cái xe tốc bạo rồi thấy nó bị ghê. Ôi dạ.